Hey guys, Jeff here from JB Customs. So this is a key from a Ford Falcon. Pretty much the same as the Fiesta keys, some of the Focus keys. So what we're going to do is just going to change the battery in this one today. So there's a little slot inside there. Okay, little flat screwdriver in. Just pop it up. Blade comes out, and then you've got the remote, so you just push that apart. There you go, and then you've got the battery in there, which should be CR2032. There you go, 2032. Don't know if you can see that very well. Okay, so we'll pop a new one in. There. And it all just pushes back together. Got it lined up. Good. And then the top with the blade and the transponder in just clips back together. That's it. All done. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.